Hey everyone! Did you know that mastering basic drawing techniques can unlock your creativity and change the way you see the world around you? In this video, we'll dive into some easy drawing techniques perfect for beginners. Whether you're picking up a pencil for the first time or just looking to improve your skills, I've got some tips and tricks that will help you get started on your artistic journey. So grab your sketchbook, and let's jump right in. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's talk about the common challenges many beginners face when they start drawing. Often, it can feel overwhelming. You might be thinking, I can't even draw a straight line. Or my drawings never look like the real thing. It's totally normal to feel this way. Many new artists struggle with understanding proportions, shapes, and shading. Plus, there's the fear of making mistakes. But the truth is, every artist starts somewhere, and the key is to embrace those challenges. What if I told you that with just a few basic techniques, you can start to tackle these obstacles head-on? Exploration/development. Alright, let's get into some techniques. First up is the importance of shapes. Everything you see can be broken down into simple shapes like circles, squares, and triangles. Start by practicing these shapes. They're the building blocks for more complex drawings. Once you feel comfortable with that, try sketching simple objects using just these shapes. Next, let's talk about lines. Experiment with different types of lines: straight, curved, thick, and thin. These will add character and depth to your drawings. Now, onto shading. This is where things get really fun. Use varying pressure on your pencil to create light and dark areas. Practice hatching and cross-hatching techniques to give your drawings dimension. Don't forget about the importance of observation. Spend some time drawing from life. It could be a plant, your pet, or even your own hand. This practice will help you develop a better understanding of form and perspective. And remember, it's all about practice. The more you draw, the better you'll get. Climax/key moment. Let's highlight a key moment in your drawing journey, the first time you look at your artwork and think, wow, I actually did that. It's such a rewarding feeling when you see your progress. Maybe you've just completed a sketch that looks surprisingly good, or you finally nailed the proportions of a human figure. This is the moment to celebrate. Keep that feeling close to you because it's a reminder that all the practice is paying off. It's these little victories that keep you motivated to keep pushing your skills further. Conclusion/summary. So, to wrap things up, remember that mastering basic drawing techniques takes time and patience. By breaking things down into shapes, practicing your lines, and experimenting with shading, you'll find yourself improving day by day. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they're part of the learning process. And who knows? You might just discover a hidden talent you never knew you had. Now, I want to hear from you. What drawing techniques have you tried, and what challenges are you facing? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out my other videos on drawing and art techniques. Thanks for watching, and happy drawing!